A 33-year-old man died due to his injuries 10 days after a sports utility vehicle, allegedly driven by a minor, hit his scooter in Mumbai. Victim, Dhrumal Patel's wife, Meenal Patel, who was also riding with him at the time of the accident, remains in critical condition. The couple was seriously injured after speeding Kia Seltos, allegedly driven at high speed by the minor, rammed into their scooter near Somaiya College on the 5th of February. The SUV was allegedly owned by the boy's father, Mr. Bhushan. Now, the Mumbai police has arrested the father of the minor accused on the second day of the accident. Currently, the father of the minor is in judicial custody and the minor is out on conditional bail to appear for his 12th examination. This is a horror story emerging from Mumbai, where a minor was allowed to be behind the wheel. He's not even 18 yet. He, we believe, is out on conditional bail because he has an exam to take, his grade 12 papers, while you have the father in judicial custody for now. I have Paras joining me live at this point. Paras, there is outrage over this incident. A man has lost his life. His wife is battling for hers in hospital. Just take us through the latest in the investigations. How long will this boy be out on conditional bail? He has an exam apparently to take.
Rightly said, Vedika, this was a very unfortunate incident which took place on 5 February midnight when a very high-speed car rammed with a bike where there was a couple who was traveling. In this entire situation, when this whole accident happened, both the person was brutally and very badly injured and they were rushed to the nearby hospital in Ghatkopar. It's been 10 days, they both were in hospital, and yesterday late evening it was known that the person, the man was no more with us. This is a very, very sad thing which has happened in this entire matter. The boy, the 17-year-old minor, is on conditional bail because of his 12th exams, but his father was arrested day after this whole incident happened. Now he is in judicial custody. Police is investigating more in this entire matter, and they are going to add some sections in this entire matter because death has happened now. So it will be very important to see what will happen next, because a man has lost his life and the minor who was driving the car was not having the license. The minor was driving very fast. So it will be very important to see what will happen next because police is investigating thoroughly in this entire matter, and the father on whom the car was on father's name was arrested by the Mumbai police, and now he is in judicial custody. So we have to see what other steps will be taken by Mumbai police in this entire matter.